Welcome to Partner Spotlight, Mr. Varuna Surya. Now, why don't you tell us a little bit about Delmage Insurance?
Delmage Insurance is part of Delmage Group. Delmage Group is, I think, household name in Sri Lanka. The company itself is about 150 years old. And Delmage Insurance Brokers is one of the subsidiaries out of 18 companies of Delmage Group. As you know, Delmage is part of Valuable Group, where the Delmage Limited is the parent company is held by Valuable Group. Delmage Insurance Brokers was set up in 1984. Now we as a subsidiary of Delmage. Since within the first years of operation, Delmage Insurance Brokers became the #1 insurance broker in Sri Lanka, and subsequently Delmage Insurance Brokers signed up with Aon, one of the largest global insurance brokers and reinsurance brokers. Currently we are the correspondents for Aon in Sri Lanka. So we basically cater to both local as well as multinational insurance broking operation.
How is the general insurance sector faring at this point of time?
So over year on year, general insurance, there had been a growth in the insurance market, and as you see, the number of players also is in the rise now. Insurance industry is going through regulatory changes. So obviously the quality of insurance there is a demand for quality insurance broking in the market. Clients also has exposure to the global markets, or they are either by way of trading. So therefore there is a requirement by the client where the broker's involvement is becoming a necessity, where they need expert advice. The broker is supposed to provide an expert advice how the insurance program has to be designed based on the risk of the client and his exposures, and also with regard to the placement, where the insurance program, how the insurance program should be placed with, in order to achieve the best the price to the coverage.
Are people actually going for insurance, so to speak?
Of course, there is a positive trend. People, and yearly, as you know, in general insurance earlier it was you have your motor insurance, but now people are looking at medical insurance, the personal accident insurance, and even to the extent of buying a mobile insurance or insuring your household items, because the cost of replacement is today is costly, and therefore people try to part this portion of this risk to the insurance. So which is I think positive trend as far as the industry is concerned.
What plans going forward in the next 3 to 5 years for Delmage Insurance?
Yeah, Delmage has its own brand, so we are looking towards building this company to the next layer, that is becoming more customer oriented insurance broking outfit. We will look at value adding to, apart from the insurance, in terms of risk management, in terms of quality insurance programs, and even the service where it need to be personalized, and we have to use now the world is becoming very small. You will use a lot of IT, so we are moving towards that trend, more globalized kind of insurance. We want to bring Delmage par with the global standards.